What happens if someone tries to improve their life for 60 days straight? Learning new skills, one word, and practicing English every day? Well, this is day one of that journey. Hello everyone. So today is day one of my self-improvement journey. So yes, I started a new series for the next 30 days. Not 30 days, for the next 60 days, where I try to improve myself. So in these 60 days, I want to learn one skill, one meaningful word every day, and most importantly, I want to improve my English and become more fluent. So for today's learning, I decided to reading a book, and the book I chose is Atomic Habit. I actually started reading this book earlier, but I was not consistent with it. I stopped it after a few days, but now I wanted to restart it and stay consistent this time. So let's start reading. So whenever I read book, I try to read out loud and underline the words that I don't know so that I can find meanings after reading a sentence or after reading a paragraph or a chapter. So let's start. On the final day of my sophomore year of high school, I was hit in the face with a baseball bat as my class. So I have read the introduction part and I'm planning to read the next part tomorrow, and these are the new words that I didn't know while reading the introduction part. So I wrote it down with two examples so that I can practice. I'm going to study my academic books, that is computer networking, and I hate studying this, like hate. I hate my subject, but this is what it is. So let's start. Hi guys, so I'm done with my study session. So I'm thinking to do my typing practice. So let's start. So this is my typing speed and I think it's good. So now I write about a topic which is a world where people communicate only through music, and that's it for this video. That's it for today's video, and I did so many things today. Like I read a book and learned 13 new words that I didn't know before. After that, I studied for 2 hours and also did my typing practice. And finally, I wrote about the topic, which is a fun topic, a world where people communicate only through music. So that's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow for the next video. So bye bye.